Tilesporcelain Limited, Denise again. Loving showing you the displays of all this wood effect. This one today is our product code WEP12, which is a Noicy brown matte wood effect, 1200 by 200 size plank. This looks a little bit like as though it could be an ochre-y style colour. So you get a very natural look with this one. And like I say, available in 1200 by 200 planks. Get in touch for a free sample, www.tilesporcelain.co.uk or 191 429 0279, and they're an absolute bargain price at the minute, these wood effects, £19.99 a metre plus VAT. And this is what your floor could potentially look like. This is not laid on this particular floor, but this is how a wood effect porcelain tile will look. So enjoy your weekend, guys. It's a weekend when I'm doing this video, and get in touch if you want any samples or an order. Straight on our website, delivered within 2 to 3 working days.